loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ijoma, but you can call me Jollof. And yes, this is my diary documenting the beautiful parts of my life here, one page at a time. Yeah, my life in film. So if you want this rice, this one pot quick recipe rice that with a buzz boy, like 1 spoon is gonna send you to heaven. Sit tight, grab your popcorn, or maybe grab this for your phone and get to the kitchen. Let's cook this storm. So we're going to start by marinating our chicken. I use chicken breast because use whatever part of chicken that you like, but I wanted chicken breast. I went ahead to marinate it, use all your seasoning. I used curry, paprika, like you always know, no seasoning cubes, salt, bouillon cubes, like all those yummy thyme, rosemary, like season your meat, you understand? Then I allowed it to chill overnight and I brought it out. And then first things first, you see that your tomato, bell peppers, onions, sprinkle a bit of salt on it and then pop that in the oven. Allow it to roast in the oven. This is going to help you in this recipe. Yes, especially for people that don't like the sour taste that comes from tomato and the rest. Do this and you thank me later. So I'm going to go ahead and fry my chicken breast, pop that into the pot, fry it for some time, and now it's ready and it's coming, and everywhere was smelling so amazing, like, hey, oh boy, like it was smelling so amazing. So that bell peppers, the tomatoes that you put in the oven, bring it out. I'm sure by now it has roasted, bring it out, blend it. It's going to give you this thick paste. So I went ahead and added my tin tomato, quick one. The best one I love to use for this kind of recipes, jollof rice, and the rest is Derica, because for some reason I love the taste it gives it. I've tried other brands, but this one, it hits. Yes, others do the job, but this one does it better. So go ahead and season with your paprika, thyme, ginger, garlic, onion powder, and now we're going to pour that tomato mix. We're going to pour it in and just fry for a bit. So because you've roasted this already, you've roasted the tomato and the rest, you don't have to fry for so long. So you see why I told you that this is sharp. You're hungry, 30 minutes, put everything there and you're good to go. You see how fast we're moving? You see the speed of light? Yes. So instead of that person like, I have to fry the tomato and this, I went ahead and added a little bit of oil, because I don't want to add so much oil at first, because the meat stock I was using has oil as well, so from the chicken. So you have to be careful with your oil. Say we're eating healthy, but we don't mind. Add however you like it or whatever. So went ahead with my non-seasoning cubes, season and test. As a seasoning, you test. You don't need to do measurements. 1 tablespoon. We eyeball it till our ancestors say, "My daughter, in whom I am well pleased." Stop adding. Then we stop. Don't mind me. As you add the seasoning, test it, too. Then I went ahead and added my bay leaves. These are a must. These are a banger, and add that in. I put in my tropical sun chicken powder into the mix and rinsed that blender. I rinsed everything. Don't waste anything. Rinse it and pour the water in there. Then fry it, and from the way this is, you should know that, oh God, the aroma was, it was, I don't know how to explain. So you see, this recipe is not something you just watch and go and try it. Instead of doing that quick concoction, this is also giving concoction vibe, but it's sophisticated. I'm not doing too much concoction vibes, you understand? A rich anti-concoction vibes. So go ahead and pour in your rice. So you can go ahead and parboil your rice and set it aside, or you can wash it, whatever works for you. But I soak mine in hot water, for an hour or two. Then I wash it off and then pour that in. That's how I cook my own rice. So if you parboil yours, go ahead and do that. Then I added my chicken stock into the mix. And then you have to cook this on low heat. That is the secret. Not so low that it will start soaking up water and now become soggy. Low heat that is not going to burn, and the water is not going to dry up fast and everything, and it's not yet done. So we're going to cover it with a foil to seal up that heat and allow it to cook on a low heat. Now it's done. And you're going to pour in that chicken. See that chicken that you did the first time? Now pour that in and turn it. Turn it around. Turn it around. Hey, everything. I can't see everything turning around. Turn it around, like, stir, mix it all together. Make sure it's well combined. And then you're going to cover it for like 2-3 minutes, to soak in the flavor and everything, to meet each other and greet each other and do a meet and greet. And your amazing, yummy, quick one-pot recipe is ready. So if you're new over here, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please, please. Do you want me to kneel down? I can kneel down, and beg. Please, let us help and grow this our young family. Please like and subscribe. Please don't forget to like. Drop a comment section, even if it's a hi, even if it's a hello, even if it's just an alphabet. Just drop in the comment section, please, please. So yes, this is all ready. Go ahead and start your plating process. Like, you can see how the rice is not soggy and the rest. So that foil that you put on top helps you to trap in the moisture, and it cooks on a slow heat, and voila, you're good to go. One pot recipe, easy, quick, and fast. Don't forget one more time to please click on the subscribe button. Please click on it now before you leave, and we're ready. Thank you for watching to the end, and see you in my next one. Bye.